Imagine it's early morning during a combat mission deep in enemy territory. A group of advanced fighter jets like the F-35 flies into dangerous airspace. On the ground, enemy radar operators are watching their screens, trying to spot any aircraft coming their way. Suddenly their screens start acting strangely. Dots representing the jets appear in odd places, disappear, then come back in spots they shouldn't be. Some seem to move too fast to be real. Others look like they're in two places at once. Confused and panicked, the enemy launches missiles hoping to hit something, but the missiles miss completely or explode in empty air. Meanwhile, the jets complete their mission and leave without being properly seen or tracked. This kind of situation shows just how powerful radar jamming technology can be. Radar jamming doesn't just block enemy signals, it can change the outcome of a battle entirely. Radar jamming is one of the most important features of fifth-generation fighter jets, such as the American F-35, the Russian Su-57, and the Chinese J-20. These jets are not only fast and hard to detect, but they also carry very advanced electronic systems that help them fool and confuse enemy radar. Radar is what many defense systems use to find and track aircraft. When a radar system is jammed, it becomes almost useless. That means the enemy can't see clearly, can't fire accurately, and can't respond in time. This gives a huge advantage to the jets doing the jamming. The jamming process starts when the fighter jet detects radar signals coming from enemy systems. These signals are quickly studied by onboard computers, many of which use artificial intelligence. The jet figures out what kind of radar it's dealing with, where it is, and what frequency it's using. Then, the jet chooses the best type of jamming to use. There are different ways to jam radar. One method is called noise jamming, which sends out strong signals to confuse the radar, kind of like blasting static noise so loud you can't hear anything else. Another method is deception jamming, which sends back false signals to trick the radar into showing fake targets or making the jet look like it's in the wrong place. Spot jamming targets one radar frequency, while barrage jamming spreads the jamming over a wide area to disrupt several radar systems at once. Some modern jets even use smart jamming, which adjusts in real time to stay one step ahead of the enemy. The effect of radar jamming on the enemy can be huge. Radar systems that are jammed can't accurately track or lock onto targets. That leads to missed shots, wasted missiles, and failed attempts to defend their airspace. Command centers that rely on radar data make slower and worse decisions. And when operators see their equipment failing, they start to doubt it. That leads to stress, hesitation, and low morale. In actual combat, the ability to jam radar often decides who wins control of the sky. It lets jets sneak in, launch surprise attacks, and fly out safely. Even airspace that's full of defenses can become open and vulnerable when radar jamming is used the right way. It turns the battle in favor of the side with better electronic warfare. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel, like and comment.